Understanding adaptive leadership is one thing. Building an organization that practices it is entirely different. The bridge between concept and culture lies in creating systematic learning experiences that develop these capabilities under realistic pressure. The most effective approach combines high-stakes simulation environments, flight simulators, operating rooms, crisis command centers, with structured reflection processes. These settings automatically generate the physiological stress response that leaders must learn to navigate while maintaining clear thinking and tactical patience. The key learning tool is the Military-Designed After-Action Review, AAR, which follows these components. What was the plan? What actually happened? What went well? What went poorly? What are we going to fix? Who will lead the fix? And by when? This structure separates analysis from action, ensuring learning translates into concrete improvements. However, this process only works within a foundation of psychological safety. Without it, the what went poorly portion becomes superficial or degenerates into blame. Leaders must first create environments where honest assessment is rewarded rather than punished. The teaching progression is critical. Explicit instruction and principles, followed by experiential exercises, then structured review, then more exercises. Repetition breeds habit, and habits stick. But don't expect overnight transformation. Real behavioral change requires multiple cycles under various pressures. Leaders need to experience these principles working across budget crises, personnel changes, and strategic pivots before they trust them as reliable tools rather than interesting concepts. The goal isn't perfect execution, it's building organizational muscle memory for continuous learning and adaptation. Adaptive leadership grows stronger through shared lessons. How are you creating organizational muscle memory for adaptation? Let us know in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going.